You know how most lawnmowers feel like loud, dumb machines that just spin blades and hope for the best? Yeah, forget all of that. Because what Roborock just revealed at CES 2026 isn't a lawnmower. It's a robot gardener that actually understands your yard. And once you see what the RockMow X1 LiDAR does, regular mowers are going to feel ancient. Let me explain. This thing doesn't just roll around cutting grass randomly. The moment it starts, it scans your entire garden in full 3D. Trees, paths, slopes, flower beds, mapped in real time. It knows where everything is, it remembers it, and it plans its moves like a self-driving car. But for your lawn. And that's where it gets wild. Most robot mowers panic when the ground isn't perfect. The RockMow X1 LiDAR. It climbs steep hills like it doesn't even care. Almost 40-degree slopes, uneven terrain, raised edges, sidewalk boundaries, no guide wires, no babysitting. 4 independent wheel motors push power to every corner, while active steering lets it turn smoothly without ripping up your grass. No awkward dragging, no ugly wheel marks. Just clean, controlled movement that feels intentional. Then there's the suspension. Yes, this mower has suspension. As it rolls over bumps and dips, the body stays stable while the cutting deck floats underneath, adjusting itself to the ground. So instead of scalping high spots and missing low ones, you get an even cut across the entire yard. It's the kind of detail you usually only see from a professional gardener. And speaking of cutting, this thing doesn't choke. 6 durable blades spin under a heavy motor, slicing through thick grass without clogging. Near walls and edges, the precision module trims insanely close, about an inch from borders. So when it's done, there's no cleanup job waiting for you. But the real magic? Obstacle awareness. Kids running across the yard, pets wandering around, chairs, toys, tree roots. RockMow sees them all. It fuses LiDAR with vision, reacts instantly, and reroutes smoothly, even in low light. It doesn't freeze, it doesn't crash, it just adapts. And then you open the app. From your phone, you can watch it move live, adjust cutting height, split your lawn into zones, or even design custom mowing patterns. Straight lines, artistic curves, whatever you want. This isn't maintenance anymore. It's lawn design. Rain starts? No panic. Rinse it with a hose? Totally fine. This thing is built to live outdoors, not be sheltered.